Good morning and Jai Hind students. Now I am sending the video of solution of natural resources. First question: plants get dash and from soil. And the second is sunlight is a dash natural resources. Then plant get water and minerals from the soil. Sunlight is a renewable natural resources. Coal and diesels are known as fuel. Dash are hard and shiny substances obtained from minerals. Metals are hard and shiny substances obtained from minerals. Petrol and diesels are obtained from the minerals petroleum. Right, true and false. Natural resources are both living and non-living. True. Water is non-renewable resources. False. Humans have planted tree to make forest on the earth. False. Cattle is non-renewable resources. True. Mineral resources will never get exhausted as they are being continuously made under the earth. False. Now we will discuss the question answer. What are the natural resources? Name 4 natural resources. There are many valuable things in nature that are necessary for us to live on this earth. They are known as natural resources. Air, water, soil, and forest are the natural resources. What is the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources? Renewable resources are those that will either never run out or are constantly renewed by the natural process. Example: animals, crops, forest, water, soil, etc. And the non-renewable things, resources. Non-renewable resources are those which once used up and are exhausted and are either not renewed by nature or renewed very slowly over millions of the years. Example: petroleum, minerals, coal, etc. Now question number next. List four uses of soil. Which use, in your opinion, is the most important? The 4 uses of soils are: water. Plants grow in soil. They get water and mineral salt from the soil. Second, many animals and insects live in the soil, such as ants, rabbit, etc. Third, different kind of cereals, fruit and vegetables grow in soil. Fourth, clay is obtained from soil to make pots and utensils. In my opinion, use of soil for the plants are most important because plants make food for all living things. Now question number next. Name 4 products that we get from the forest. The 4 products are wood, medicine, paper, oxygen, rubber. Next, name 2 metals and 2 other substances that we get from the minerals. Name 2 metals are iron and copper. Iron and copper, and 2 other substances are mica and diamond. Next, name 2 minerals from which we get fuels. The 2 minerals are petrol and coals. Why is it important to say minerals such as coal, petroleum? It is important to say minerals such as coal and petroleum because these resources are non-renewable and once used up, they will not be available to us anymore. Now we will discuss multiple choice question. Which of these resources will not run out because they are constantly renewed by the nature and reasonable amount of the time? Gold, petroleum, coal and plants. Of course, this is the plant. Which of these will get exhausted because nature takes a long time to renew them? Coal. Forest provide us with oxygen, paper, medicine, all of these. Which of the following sources of energy will always be available to us? Solar energy. Now you have to write the horse in your revision copy.